Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E first. We have x and y in the denominators. So x and y cannot be equal to 0. Now we will write our equation x square plus y square plus xy equal to 0. We can divide our equation by xy both sides. So let us divide LHS by xy and RHS by xy. X and y cannot be equal to 0. X square over xy is x over y. Y square over xy is y over x. Xy over xy is 1. 0 over xy will be 0. Now assume x over y. Suppose this is equal to t. Then y over x will become 1 over t. So we can write t plus 1 over t plus 1 equal to 0. Now I will multiply both sides by t to get rid of fractional terms. So let's multiply RHS also by t. T times t is t square. T times 1 over t is plus 1. T times 1 is t equal to 0. Let me write here t square plus t plus 1 equal to 0. Check our equation at t equal to 1. Will it satisfy our equation? So 1 square will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. LHS is 3, RHS is 0. T cannot be 1. So we can multiply this equation by t minus 1 both sides. Now LHS will provide us t cube minus 1 cube form. RHS will be 0. From here, I can write t cube equal to 1. So we have one strong result or equation t cube equal to 1. Now I will consider cube root both sides. So cube root of t cube will be equal to cube root of 1. Cube root and cube will get over. We will get t is equal to cube root of 1, which is cube root of unity. We know that there are three cube roots of unity, 1, omega and omega square. Here we have t cannot be 1. So we will reject t equal to 1. Now we have to consider t equal to omega and t equal to omega square. We have two properties from cube root of unity, which I will write here omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. Now I will write here t equal to omega, but before that our required expression is in variable x and y. So let's convert into t or omega. So I will write here e equal to x over x is 1 minus y over x. Let me write once y over x whole power 76 plus x over y minus y over y is 1 whole power 76. Now y over x is 1 over t, x over y is t. We will write here 1 minus 1 over t whole power 76 plus t minus 1 whole power 76. Now we have result t cube equal to 1. So in place of 1, we can write t cube. I am taking 1 over t equal to t cube over t, which will be equal to t square. So in place of 1 over t, we can write t square. So 1 minus t square whole power 76 plus t minus 1 whole power 76. Now we have to plug in t equal to omega first to find the value of required expression E. So E will become, we'll write 1 minus omega square whole power 76 plus omega minus 1 whole power 76. Now we will factor 76 2 times 38. So I can write 1 minus omega square whole square and then we'll put whole power 38 plus omega minus 1 whole square and then we'll put whole power 38. Now we will use a minus b whole square formula over here. A minus b whole square formula over here. We will get 1 plus omega power 4 minus 2 omega square. This is 1 minus omega square whole square. Then we have whole power 38 plus omega minus 1 whole square will become omega square minus 2 omega plus 1 whole power 38. Now we will use properties of omega. Let me write expression over here. Here it is, which will be equal to 1 plus omega power 4 can be written as omega cube times omega minus 2 omega square whole power 38 plus will club omega square with 1. Then we can write minus 2 omega whole power is 38. Now we know that omega cube is 1. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. We know that omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. So from here we will get omega square plus 1 equal to minus omega. Let's check what will come out. We will write here 1 plus omega cube is 1, minus 2 omega square whole power 38 plus minus omega minus 2 omega whole power 38. Again we have 1 plus omega. This time we have to find 1 plus omega will be equal to minus omega square. So we can write minus omega square minus 2 omega square whole power 38 plus minus omega minus 2 omega minus 3 omega whole power 38. So we can simplify over here. We will get minus 3 omega square whole power 38 plus minus 3 omega whole power 38. We can take minus 3 whole power 38 common out. So we'll write here minus 3 whole power 38. In other bracket, we will write omega square whole power 38 plus omega power 38. Using power rule, 2 times 38 will be 76. So in bracket, we can write omega power 76 plus omega power 38. E will be equal to minus 3 whole power 38 in bracket omega power 76 plus omega power 38 will be equal to minus 3 whole power 38. Here we will split 76, 75 plus 1. So we can write omega power 75 times omega plus 38 can be written as 36 plus 2. So we will write omega power 36 times omega power 2 will be equal to minus 3 whole power 38 times omega power 75 will be omega cube whole power 25 times omega plus omega power 36 can be written as omega cube whole power 12 times omega square. Now we know that omega cube is 1. So 1 power 25 or 1 power 12. Both values are 1. We will write here minus 3 raised to the power 38 in bracket omega plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is 0. So omega plus omega square will be minus 1. So we can write here minus 3 whole power 38 times minus 1. Now we will use exponent law and we can write minus 1 power 38 times 3 power 38 times minus 1. Minus 1 raised to even power, always 1. So we will get 1 times 3 power 38 times minus 1. So our answer will become E equal to minus of 3 raised to the power 38. This is at t equal to omega. Now we will check at t equal to omega square. So I need to plug in t equal to omega square. Here we have required expression. Let's put t equal to omega square. We will get 1 minus t square will be omega power 4 whole power 76 plus omega square minus 1 whole power 76. Again we have omega power 4 which we will see omega cube times omega will be equal to omega because omega cube is 1. So we will write E equal to 1 minus omega whole power 76 plus omega square minus 1 whole power 76. If we will take minus common from the brackets, we will get the same expression which we have taken for t equal to omega. Let's take minus common. Minus raised to the even power always plus. So we can write omega minus 1 whole power 76 plus 1 minus omega square whole power 76. Now this expression is same once we have t equal to omega. So from this we will get minus 3 raised to the power 38. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.